Welcome back students to your physics class. In today's class we will be learning something very interesting. We will try to differentiate two quantities, namely mass and weight. So whenever we use these quantities, we actually use it for each other. If I ask you what is your mass or what is your weight, we usually get the same response. So today we will try to actually differentiate it using this theory of gravitation. So first, let's define what is mass. Mass can be defined as the quantity of matter contained in the body. It can also be defined as the measure of inertia of an object. You remember inertia, which you learned in your last chapter? Inertia is nothing but the resistance of an object to change its position of rest or uniform motion. So, mass can be defined as the measure of inertia or the quantity of matter contained in an object. So, it is also referred to as inertial mass. And the SI unit of mass is kilogram or kg. Now let's see the significance and the properties of mass. Mass of an object, it does not depend on the size or shape or state of an object. So irrespective of all these properties, the mass remains the same. And mass remains the same, the value of mass remains the same at all the places in the universe. Again, it is not dependent on direction, it only has a magnitude, so it is a scalar quantity. And the mass, the value of mass doesn't change in the presence of any other bodies or objects. How can it be measured? How is mass measured? Using beam balance. So using this instrument, the mass of an object can be measured. Now let's see what is weight and what is the difference between these two quantities. Weight of an object, on the other hand, is nothing but the force with which an object is attracted to the earth. So weight of the object, as it is different from mass, you can see it is nothing but the force with which an object is attracted to the surface of earth. So, how do we calculate it? We know that force is calculated by using this formula as per Newton's second law, m into a. So, when we are calculating it on the surface of earth, we know that a is replaced by acceleration due to gravity g. So, F equal to m into g. As per the definition, we know that weight is nothing but the force by which an object is attracted to earth. So, we substitute it. Weight is represented by the capital letter W. So, W can be calculated by m into g, or the value of W is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. And the weight of an object certainly depends on the direction. So, it is a vector quantity. The SI unit, similar to that of force, it is Newton or kilogram weight. And how is it measured? This weight of an object can be measured using a spring balance. Mass, beam balance, and here weight, spring balance. Now, before we actually see the differences between mass and weight, let's try to calculate the weight of an object on the surface of moon. So as we saw, weight is nothing but m into g. So weight of the object on earth, We is nothing but weight of the object on earth, is given by the formula mass into acceleration due to gravity on earth, mge. Similarly, weight of the object on moon, Wm, is given by mgm. So Wm by We, we get it as mgm by mge and since the mass is the same of the object, we just cancel it. And if you remember what we calculated in the previous classes, we got the acceleration due to gravity on moon is 1/6 the acceleration due to gravity on earth. So we get it as 1/6. So the weight of an object on moon will be actually 1/6 the weight of the object on earth. So suppose I am weighing 60 kgs on earth. What will happen to my weight on moon? It will become 1/6 the value. So 1/6 into 60 will be 10. So when I go to moon, I will be weighing only 10 kgs. What happens to my mass? My mass will remain the same, 60. But my weight will be reduced to 1/6 the value. So instead of 60, it will be 10. And again, when I express weight, I should express it in Newton. So my mass will be 60 kg anywhere, whereas my weight in earth is 60 Newton, and in case of moon, my weight will be 10 Newton. Hope you got the differences and how to express mass and weight. Let's check out some more differences between mass and weight so that it becomes clear to you. The first point is nothing but the definition of these quantities. Mass is nothing but the quantity of matter contained in an object, whereas weight is nothing but the force exerted by the earth on an object. If you see, the value of mass remains constant where? Everywhere on the universe, whereas the weight will vary from one place to another because the acceleration due to gravity might differ. The mass, the value of mass can never be 0. But if you see weight, when you calculate it at the center of the earth, we know that the r value or the distance value, radius of the earth becomes 0. So the weight of the object also becomes 0 when taken at the center of the earth. Mass is a scalar quantity and weight depends on direction, so it's a vector quantity. What is the unit of mass? Unit mass can be calculated in kilograms and weight is represented in Newton or kilogram weight. And how is mass calculated? Using beam balance, whereas weight is calculated using a spring balance. So hope the differences between these two quantities are clear. Try calculating your weight and mass in earth as well as in moon. So till we meet in the next class, goodbye children.